Hey guys, I'm Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to disassemble Honeywell 12,000 BTU portable AC unit. And I'm taking it apart because there's a little mold smell when it's on, and that's because it has a couple years. So a lot of people would just throw it out, and in fact it's not that difficult to clean it, to get the smell out and continue using it afterwards. This is, I believe, was what, around $550 for this unit that I paid. So I'm not just gonna throw it away, especially that it's only 3 years old. I think I should have at least 2 more years to go with it. So I apologize for the mess in the behind, but this is the only area where it's not sunny and it's really hot today, and that's why I turned it on. There's a smell to it, mold smell to it, and that's usually because the water that sits in it, over time, it just creates mold. So take it apart. It's very simple. You flip it around, and as you can see here, I already started taking it apart. So there's this filter that's on top. This one just comes off. This one on the bottom here. There's one screw that's holding it in place here, which is right here, and this one pops off. Then of course you got some screws on the top here, here, on the side as well. Same thing on the other side. And afterwards it just pops from the top, and this is what I'm talking about here. So this is our condenser that we're going to be dealing with here today. And as you can see here, that's the buildup. Usually that's where the water sits while it's been dehumidified. See all the dirt? That's what's causing the smell. And same thing on the bottom here. See that? So we want to clean all of that really well and clean out the dust, might as well, since we're here. And also, I'm not sure if I never really used it before, but I'm gonna clean the radiators here with this air conditioning coil foaming cleaning. So we'll see how to do that. But first I'm gonna take the air compressor, go through it, just dust it out, clean this area right here, clean all this stuff, whatever this is. It's like a water, mold, something, whatever. Clean that out really well, and that should be it. Afterwards you just put it back together, which is probably harder than taking it apart. So I hope this video was helpful. I will have the information on the foaming kit that you can get online. You can get it probably somewhere else as well, but I bought it from Amazon just because it's easier. But there's some options, so you can check out the local stores as well if you need it faster. And I have the exact model for this particular unit in the description. It's so simple, and yet so many people just decide to just get a new AC versus cleaning it. Whether it's, I'm sure I can get this done in about half an hour or so. If you don't have a compressor, air spray can will do the job to get the dust out. And this, of course, we're just gonna wipe it out really quick. Maybe even spray it a little with a bleach, just to kill all the bacteria and all the fungus that might have accumulated from just water sitting here, and we should be good to go. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure you click like, subscribe, fix your AC. Click like, subscribe. See you guys next time.